Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds Philips. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And if it's turned off, just turn on it and click on your earbuds at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So, right here at the right headphone we have a power button. You need to press and hold it for at least 4 seconds. Now we turn off it, and then you need to press and hold it for 2 seconds to turn on it, and it will reconnect to your phone, so we should have connection. And we have it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that, firstly, we need to turn off these headphones. And after that, press and hold this power button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. And now we can see it at the device list, so just tap on it, and we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold at the same time volume up button and volume down button until this LED light starts flashing white and blue, so it means that you will enter to pairing mode. Here we go, and firstly we need to remove it, so information icon or settings icon, forget. Don't forget to click Pair New Device on your Android, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just tap on it at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!